Students, today we will learn about polynomial in one variable. In polynomial in one variable, we should include the polynomial with one variable. It may be x, y, z or anything. So here we are including the variable x and its different powers. So a polynomial in one variable is in the format of an x to the power n plus an minus 1 x to the power n minus 1, an minus 2 x to the power n minus 2 up to a0. This is the general format, where the polynomial I have taken px as px. You can take gx, hx, whatever you can take, no problem. I have taken px. In this format or in this formula, okay, an minus 1, an minus 2 up to a1 are the coefficients of x to the power n, x to the power n minus 1, x to the power n minus 2 and up to x. These are the coefficients of the variable x, and a0 is the constant. Listen carefully, a0 is the constant. This is the general format or general pharma of a polynomial, and where xn minus 1, xn minus 2 up to x are the variables arranged in descending order of the power. See, descending order means first you have to write the highest power variable, then you have to just lower than the highest power. Similarly, you have to arrange descending. Descending means highest to lowest power arrangement. You have to arrange the variable like that. Then px is the polynomial of degree n. So what is degree? You have learned in 8th class, my friends. The degree of a polynomial is nothing but the highest power. Okay, the highest power of x, nothing but the highest power of x. So here the highest power of x is n. In this polynomial, the highest power of x is n. So degree of polynomial is n, as the highest power is n. Whose highest power? The variable x highest power is n. Understood? Degree of polynomial of degree n, highest power is n of whose? Of x. What is x? x is the variable. वेरिएबल का हाईएस्ट पावर को हम क्या बोलेंगे? डिग्री ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल बोलेंगे. So now we got some idea about the polynomial format. Now we will go about different polynomials of one variable. Now see, my friends, so this is the variable format, okay, not equal to 0 only. This is the format, and here if I am putting n equal to 1, if n value is 1, then it is a1. In the place of an I can put a1, and here in the place of n I can put 1. So it is a1 x to the 1. Okay, converted. In the place of n I am putting 1 and 1. So a1 here x to the 1. Similarly, after that, what? an minus 1 x to the n minus 1. So what is the value? 1. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So this is the coefficient is a0. Now our coefficient is a0, and 1 minus 1 is 0. Now our coefficient is 0. So this is for n equal to 1. The polynomial we are telling linear polynomial. Why linear polynomial? Because in this polynomial, after simplification, you get that you got ax plus a0. Sorry, a1x plus a0, where x is the only variable, a1 is the coefficient of x, and a0 is the constant. Okay, but both a1 and a0 are constant, but here a1 is the coefficient of x and a0 is a separate constant. So I can write, my friends, this a1x as x and a0 as b. I can give a1 as a. It is a constant. So in place of a1 I can give a, no problem. In place of a0 I can give b. So a linear polynomial means the polynomial having only one variable, which is the format of ax plus b. Any polynomial having in the format of ax plus b. Here x is a variable. You can write ay plus b. where y is the variable, but our variable is only 1. So that's why we are telling that it is a linear polynomial. And in case of linear polynomial, my friends, the degree is 1, because here only one variable is there, and the variable x has how much degree? How much power? 1. So if degree 1 means it is a linear polynomial. Remember, degree 1 means it is a linear polynomial, because it has one variable and the variable should have degree 1. Degree means power should be 1. If power is 1, if the maximum power is 1, which is called degree, then you can say this is a linear polynomial of one variable. The next, my friend, quadratic polynomial. If we are putting n equal to 2, for n equal to 2 means we have degree, maximum degree 2. For n equal to 2 means we have maximum degree 2. N equal to 1 means we have maximum degree 1 or maximum power 1. So n equal to 2, that is called quadratic polynomial. Okay, which is the format ax square plus bx plus c, where degree is 2, means maximum power of x is 2. Next, if n equal to 3 means it is degree 3, which is the format of ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Okay. Similarly, if n equal to 4, it is called biquadratic polynomial of one variable, which is the format of ax to the 4 bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. Why I am changing a b c d e the coefficients? Because I am denoting in a simpler way, in easiest way, so that for x to the 4 I am taking coefficient a, for x cube I am taking b, and similarly c d e, so on. So here, as n equal to 4, so degree is also 4. So what is n? That is your degree. Or what, if n is not given, so arrange all the variables in descending order. After arranging the descending order, what is the highest power of the variable? That is the degree of the polynomial. Now you got idea about what is polynomial in one variable, your linear polynomial, quadratic, cubic and biquadratic polynomial. Now we will discuss about a very interesting lesson. What is that? That is your zero of a polynomial. Zero of a polynomial. So what is zero? Zero means we are saying zero or solution of a polynomial. Solution of a polynomial. The value of x for which the polynomial px is 0 is called zero or solution of polynomial. This is the definition of zero. Now we will understand this one easily by giving some examples. So I am taking one linear polynomial. Okay, my friends, this is a linear polynomial where px is given 2x minus 5, where px is given 2x minus 5. So here px equal to, I am telling that what value should I put here? Here means at the place of x. For that px will be 0. Px will be 0. So I am taking px equal to 0. For what? For finding out the value of x. So for 0 of px I am taking, this is for 0 of px I am taking px equal to 0. Okay, my friends, for 0 of px I am taking px equal to 0. So what is the value of px? Px is 2x minus 5. So I am putting this value here in px. So 2x minus 5 equal to 0. So then x equal to how much? Minus 5 will go that side and 2 will divide. So you will get x equal to 5 by 2. X equal to 5 by 2. So here 2x equal to 5. Then this 2 is divided. So x equal to 5 by 2. So what is that 0 for this px? So this x equal to 5 by 2 is nothing but 0 of px. 0 of px. Okay, this is the 0 of px.